In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track downloads in Google Analytics using GA4's built-in enhanced measurement feature. To get started, open your Google Analytics 4 property and go to the admin area. From there, select Data Streams. Then choose the web stream for the website where you want to monitor file downloads. Once you're inside the web stream settings, find the Enhanced Measurement section and click the gear icon. Enhanced Measurements lets GA4 automatically collect common website interactions without needing to create custom tracking for each one. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. In the Enhanced Measurement settings, look for file downloads and make sure the switch is turned on. With this enabled, GA4 can automatically record clicks on supported downloadable files, such as PDFs, documents, and other file types. And that's it. You've enabled automatic file download tracking in Google Analytics 4.